feels so good. Now I'm drifting out to sea. Come see and look what I've become without your star guiding me. 'Cause when I've come to the point that I'm breaking, and I've lost all the things that I've forsaken, in between life's stolen spaces, you become my oasis. Things are never what they seem unless they're what we don't want. Spread among my broken dreams, I really found what I sought. But now I've come to this point that I'm making, that my mind